Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
I was studying this is my first time in Hanoi. I really love local snacks. So maybe can you recommend them to me?
Certainly, sir. I recommend trying Halal Komo Local Shoot and fried shrimp butter. They are popular Vietnam. Is this just showcase the unique flavor of Hanoi?
Fried shrimp batter, so great. Can you tell me more about the fried shrimp batter?
Sure, fried shrimp batter or bánh tôm is a crispy dish made with shrimp, egg, beaten seasoning salt. It is served with a tacky dipping sauce and fresh greens. It's a rest like or appetizer.
Oh, good. So where can I eat?
Yeah, you can eat bánh tôm at restaurant Hiệp Quán at 161 Hoàng Cầu in Hanoi.
Thanks for your recommendation.
My pleasure. Phải thế